Hello everyone, today we will talk about the three different kinds of coins around the world. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay, let's continue. The 1959 Liberty half dollar, more accurately known as the Franklin half dollar, is worth face value of the coin. While it is made of silver, its value is a collectible, for its precious metal content is typically higher than its value. The, the coin was minted from 1948 to 1963 and is also referred to as the Franklin half dollar. The, the proof coin, which are especially minted for collectibles, can be worth significantly more, ranging from 34,000 to 50,000 US dollar. How do I know if my half dollar is valuable? Number 1, proof coin. Number 2, great condition. Number 3, hard to find coins. Number 4, misprint on mint mark. Okay guys, this is the coins of Liberty half dollar of the USA. This is a collectible coin. The value of this coin is around more or less 30,000 up to 50,000 US dollar. Now let's talk about the Queen Elizabeth II of Australia. This is the Queen Elizabeth II of Australia, year 1966. The Queen Elizabeth of Australia, year 1966, designed all 20 cents coin in the first issue of in 1966 were produced at the Royal Mint, London. The value of coin will depend on their condition. They can be worth up to $5,500 in really good condition. The 1966 Queen Elizabeth 20 cents coin is a round bronze proof coin with 17.5mm diameter plain edge, featuring on the obverse a crowned head of Elizabeth II facing right. Around Elizabeth II, Australia, 1966, the reverse features a feather tail glider. The denomination numeral 1 is left of the head and the artist's initials SD below its body. Okay guys, this is the Elizabeth II coin of Australia. Now let's talk about the coin of the Philippines. This is the 10 centavo coins of the Philippines. Let's talk about this coin now. So the 2017 Philippine 10 peso coin generally holds its face value of 10 peso for standard circulated or bimetallic version. However, some 2017 new generation currency NGC coins may be considered semi-hard to find, potentially worth more than the face value to collectors. Coin details: face value 10 peso, collector's value approximately 20-30 or more on the 2017 collectible coins. Design features Apollinario Mabini on the obverse and the Kapakapa plant on the reverse. Composition: nickel-plated steel. While most 2017 10 peso coins are common, this is pristine condition or with specific minting errors could hold higher value to a specialized collector. Okay guys, this is the 10 peso coins of the Philippines, year 2017. This is one of the most hard to find coins. Actually, this is a collectible coin. That's why this is hard to find. I will not mention the value of this coin because the collector will give you the value of this coin. So anyway, this is the coin of Australia, Queen Elizabeth II, year 1966. So the value of this currency is around $5,500 more or less. It depends on the condition of your coin. Now, I will show you again the Liberty half dollar. This is the Liberty half dollar of America, United States of America, year 1959. This coin is also a valuable. There are collectors out there looking for a coin like this, year 1959 half dollar. I will show you the reverse side of this coin. This is the reverse side of this coin, bell, and there is a half dollar on the lower side, and upper, on the upper side there is the United States of America, and at the center there is a bell. So now guys, this is one of the most collectible coin. Anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you.